When I think of our coatings and the journey that they've made to actually get onto an aircraft engine component or an aircraft component, they've made quite a journey from the raw material stage, where we source materials from all different locations, and those materials get shipped to our manufacturing locations. But we have teams working on, in particular, key focus, dual sourcing, so that we can get our materials to customers under any global circumstances and potential supply chain disruption situations.